welcome to another video.
I know you want to join a you keep on pushing my
Hey, hey, say hey. As y'all can see, we got a TV in the back because Michael found the TV like where we live at. They just be throwing away all kinds of stuff and it be looking brand new. But we about to go to the park and Lamael about to drive his truck. We walk to the park, well not walk to the park, but we drive to the park and we walk around for like 45 minutes every day or 30 minutes every day. I think it's usually like 45 minutes or like 50 minutes or a little longer, depends on the day. Yesterday was a little chilly. We did like 55 minutes yesterday. The day before that we did like 45 minutes. Today we're gonna probably do a little bit more because, well, not a little bit more today because Lamael probably hungry and I'm already hungry. But right now we at 7-Eleven and this lady got some Girl Scout cookies and I want some, but I don't got no cash, so yeah. But yeah, well, Michael getting gas right now. We sitting in the car and he going in there to get us a banana and I want apple juice and water, and me and Lamael getting the same thing, banana, apple juice and water.
I'm on my car.
What you do?
I'm on my car.
Your car?
That's my car.
Okay, hold on, Michael calling.
Call
Hello?
me.
Huh?
No bananas.
The banana should be at the cash register.
Oh, really? Oh, I see him.
Alright. Anyways, we get in apple juice, water, banana. Then, so we probably not gonna walk that long. I feel like we should get something else because I feel like if we leave the park early, Lamael gonna get mad because he haven't drove his truck. He never drove his truck. Or like 2 seconds on Christmas when he first got it. He was 18 months and he's 2 years old now. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And bye y'all, because I don't want to make this too long. I said apple juice.
All I heard was juice.
I said apple juice.
Well, they didn't have juice. And they didn't have apple juice anyways.
Cap.
I'm serious. Go in there and check.
Bro, this man don't never get nothing right.
Go in there and check.
No, I'm straight.
Okay.
Open up him a juice. Bro, this camera be tripping, bro.
Yeah.
I just get the car.
Tomato juice. Car seat. I'm tired of that damn car seat leaving them big old dents in the seat. You don't like being recorded. You don't like paparazzi.
Alright.
What's that hanging?
I don't know.
What is that? both of them. The more he drives on the dirt, the more power he's wasting. So might as well drive it.
No. Put the banana down. Here, back. There.
What's sitting on one side? Ah, you got to run me over.
But go! Oh!
Nah, you gonna have to call insurance people.
Dang.
Reverse, Terry.
Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. 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 Put it in reverse, Terry.
Why is it sitting on one side?
Can I sit on the other side? Yeehaw! 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 Put it in reverse, Larry. Ah! Wait. Stop. Stop. Lamael, where you going?
Uh-oh.
She got scared of him.
Lamael, where you going?
He going where the birds at.
Go.
I heard some. That's for the white folks. Ah! That boy finna run over some boo-boo. See, we could have went over here so they can hear us better.
Oh, yeah. Boy, go on.
Yeehaw! 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 Pay attention. You gotta watch the road. This way. Look, you gonna run him over. Come on, this way. Okay, you gonna run me over.
Turn me, ho. Turn me, ho. Hey.
Hey, look. Turn this way. Come on, this way.
Turn.
Boy, this truck gonna be jacked up. Oh my God. Oh!
He getting a little old ass car for his first car. I don't want to repaint it white.
That?
Yeah.
No, it looks fine.
You like mine?
Y'all was gonna take professional pictures. That'll be cute. You know what? Y'all should. Just don't let him scrape the truck up right now. Wash it. Get dressed, take pictures. You got a photographer? Dang. Oh.
All I said was no.
I always with an attitude. Ooh, my hair look messed up. Should I keep vlogging?
I don't know what it's gonna be about.
Just Lamayo driving his truck for the first time. You don't think you can get on that road? Oh. He really tried it. Wait, where we at?
I don't know. That's what I said. I don't even know.
Y'all going the wrong way. We supposed to be going this way. He doing good. He doing good.
He's swerving right now.
This boy is actually doing good.
He's not swerving. I guess because we're not next to him, right?
Mm-hmm. He's just looking back.
Damn.
He doing real good. He might just learn how to drive from using that. Sorry. It'd be cute if you had his name on the back. Yeah. Oh, that little tag that your dad. Hey! That little tag that your dad gave you, you can put it on the back.
Oh!
Hey! Oh, hell no, I heard something moving in the bushes.
Damn, brother. That would cost you $200.
Mama, it's $2.
gotta pay $20.
Yes, $50.
Good job.
Is it cool if he has like a key?
Yeah.
We can pretend he has a key. Let's put the tag. What did that burn? Oh, you got back on. Oh. I want to see him get unstuck himself.
Talk louder.
No, I just I want to see him get unstuck himself, like push the control back. Uh-oh.
It might be.
Turn off. No, let's go up. Come on, let's go. Let me home. No. No! Abajo. You don't run, yo.
Say cheese. Lamel.
Yeah, that's gonna go slow going uphill.
Lamel. It's not working, okay? Let's stay. Truck going bye-bye. What's wrong? My camera died, y'all, so yeah, I need to go to Best Buy and get some adapter thing, and my laptop is dead, which is gonna take me to charge. So we gonna finish walking. Alright, y'all, so I got my adapter, and this is what I was talking about. Like, it's an SD card that you plug into your iPhone, and then you just edit on your phone instead of waiting on your laptop to charge. So I actually took a picture of my food. I forgot to show y'all me eating it. Somebody just woke up. Okay. Like, I'm subscribed. I'm gone.